This is Kate. She runs a Shopify store. Kate sometimes creates campaigns, like for Mother's Day or Halloween. Instead of building a campaign landing page, which can be time-consuming, she uses one-click deal to generate pretty links that lead her customers directly to the cart or checkout. Her users can clearly see the deal details, the discount, and can even go straight to checkout, all with one click. Meet John. John often builds landing pages where his customers can compare 3 bundles. He uses one-click deal to generate links that he connects to each bundle's CTA on his landing page. These links lead his users straight to checkout, with the entire bundle in tow. This is Anne. Anne often uses social media, TV ads, or printed leaflets for driving traffic to her store. One-click deal lets her quickly create easy-to-remember deal links, which allow her customers to check out easily. Creating a new deal takes Anne less than 3 minutes. First, she picks any products in any quantity. Next, she creates a link that'll be easy to remember for her customers. Finally, she adds a discount code and chooses the link destination, cart or checkout. Easy, right? Our app installs 100% automatically and has great technical support. Install your free trial now and start boosting your revenue.